I'm Leonard Arsenault. I'm from Eastern Canada, right on the ocean. And we joined Quantum Lifestyle 2 days before Christmas. And it's been quite the journey because as soon as we heard it from our upline, Cecile Garin from Europe, within 2 minutes, me and my wife said, we want this because we had studied quantum related information and energy and the whole thing for years, and the whole thing just made perfect sense to us. And it's almost been magical, really, since we've joined. I put my intentions, my positive affirmations into the quantograms and the energy card, and since we've been involved, it's like almost like abundance is being attracted to us, and the people are just coming to us. It's quite amazing. Personally, I would have like really dry skin in the winter. My fingers would crack and bleed, and I was wearing the quantum energy card since I got it. And this past winter, my skin was like, I don't know, like when I was, a young child. It's perfectly healthy, and I didn't experience that this winter, so that was quite amazing. Um, I had knee pain, which went away quite quickly. Um, my energy level is awesome. I used to have to take naps all the time, and now I can't remember when I took a nap in the afternoon. Um, I don't know. There's a whole bunch of things that are just so amazing. Plus, the generosity of the company is uh, I've never seen anything like it. Anyway, I'll just say that. And I think my wife wants to share something, so I'm just going to pass her the phone. I've got my phone plugged in. Just like,
Hello. I'm Danica, and I'm Leonard's wife, and I just feel so blessed to have found Quantum Lifestyles, or for it to have found us. um, as he said, we saw the value of it right away, and we were very excited. And my biggest story so far is what the quantum energy card has done for me. I suffered from depression and anxiety, and there's been a lot that's happened in the last couple of years. I lost a bunch of people during COVID, but it wasn't due to COVID. But long story short, it did not help the depression. And I'd finally found something alternative to take, and I was taking that. And I was still waiting for my card to come, and I forgot to take my alternative medication. And 3 days later, I was like, oh my goodness, give me my medication. I don't want to go to work. I felt like crying and anxiety all the time. So I took that again, and a couple weeks later, I got my card, started wearing it, and I wasn't feeling any different per se. And I'd still wear my card because I totally believe in the energy of quantum and what it can do. And then I forgot to take my medicine again. And 5 days later, I'm like, oh my goodness, I haven't taken my medicine in 5 days, and I'm fine. And I haven't taken that medicine since. And I've worn my card almost every day. And the couple of days I forgot, guess what? I still feel great. So I'm very, very, very grateful, and I'm looking forward to see what other amazing and wonderful things that are going to happen because of the card, the quantograms. I already love sleep. I love the fit. I love the EMF grams. It makes me feel comfortable having a phone, and I'm waiting to see all the lives I can help change, whether it's to relieve pain or whether it's to relieve financial strife. I'm just so excited.